Hi, first of all, before I explain about fire extinguisher, I will introduce element of combustion, which is fuel, heat, and oxygen. Furthermore, I will explain why important and functional of fire extinguisher. The importance of fire extinguisher is to prevent and reduce the amount of damage. Moreover, I will explain how fire extinguisher works. It works by remove or reduce at least one element. Also, fire extinguisher can be found in all commercial and public buildings. Other than that, it was containing compressed liquid and gas. Also, fire extinguisher have a few types such as water, dry powder, foam, carbon dioxide, and wet chemical.
I'm going to talk about fire hose reel system. Fire hose reel system is designed to provide an immediately accessible and controlled supply of water. It's to combat potential fire risks, particularly in the early stages of fire. Fire hose reel should be used on Class A fire, which involves ordinary combustible materials such as wood, paper, clothes, plastic, and rubber. Meanwhile, fire hose reels are usually installed in public or commercial places that have a potential to face a fire, such as schools, hospitals, shopping centers, and factories. And the key parts of fuel hose reel system is the hose is long and flexible, and then it's usually hose is 30 meter long, and the last one is the nozzle control the water flow. That's all from me about a fire hose reel.
Now we're going to talk about a firefighting system that can be found on any buildings, and it is called fire alarm bell. A fire alarm bell is a part of building a fire alarm system. Its purpose can make a loud ringing sound during a fire activation. It also can alert everyone that there is a fire emergency. And it is also can be a signal for everyone to evacuate immediately. Other than that, it can provide an audible warning that can be heard on over wide area, especially corridors, staircase, and open spaces. How it works? It works when a smoke detector, heat detector, or manual call point is triggered. The fire alarm control panel sends power to the bell, and the bell rings continuously until the fire system is reset. It is important to provide early warning if automatic detectors haven't sensed any smokes or fire yet, or heat. It ensures human trigger activation, especially in places with slow smoke movement or open areas. It's important to provide early detection and warning, ensure both automatic and manual activation methods, and critical for life safety and emergency response.
After listening to all explanation about firefighting system, now I will explain about electrical system, which is supply electricity to a building. For Dewan Seri Iskandar, the most suitable system can be used in TSI is radial system. It is because electrical supply radiates from the main intake panel. Moreover, the main panel consists of a main switch, which is connected to fuse switch. Also, several separate feeder cables are run from the main intake panel to the subsidiary distribution panel. For example, it can be used in factory and resort complex.
Now I'm going to talk about electricity transmission. The transmission system has three consists of pylon, transformer, and substation. I would like to tell you guys about pylon. First of all, electricity pylons or transmission tower is tall. It usually steel lattice structure. It used to support overhead electricity conductor for electric power transmission. Pylon has a high voltage cable or transmission line it up to 400,000 volts. That's all from me about the pylon.
Electrical supply system. When it comes to electrical supply system, there is many of them, and I want to introduce one of them, and it is called renewable energy. Renewable energy comes from the natural sources such as hydro, wind, solar, wave, biomass, and geothermal. By using this energy, it can be contribute to better air quality, reduce of use fossil fuels, global warming, protect environmental values such as habitat and water quality. Renewable energy always available and can be replaced in a reasonable of time. It is because these sources is a natural process that enables us to use it over and over again. The importance of renewable energy is we can reduce environmental pollution, ensure long-term energy supply, lowers dependence on fossil fuels, and supports economic growth. That's all.